Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. For your daily energies, Cancers, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, Cancers, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, if you want a more detailed love reading or if you have any questions you want clarity, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards. Cancers for your daily energies. High Priestess in reverse, Star and Two of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situations, Cancers, whatever your case is, whatever your circumstances, you are having that faith and hope in future because of the way things are going in your life today, and you are um, feeling passionate about something. It may be something in your career, maybe a new path opening right in front of you, maybe a new career choice, a second career choice, something which you love to do, maybe something in creative arts. So you are using your talent, skills to proceed on that path, or it may be a new person whom you have just met. So even at the first time, you may feel quite attracted to them. You feel a deep, passionate relationship with this person. The reason may be this person may be uh, your karmic connection. So, destiny has put this person in your life today, guys, Cancers, and maybe this person is your soulmate or a twin flame. So, that is the reason you have that familiarity, that deep bond with them, and you feel very great attraction to them, and you feel that in your heart of hearts you know them well. So that sense of familiarity again in this connection with them, that is what is making this connection work, and that is what is pulling you towards them like a magnet. So that is the reading, guys. Cancers, if you want a more detailed love reading for your situation, Cancers, you can stay tuned and watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your detailed love reading, guys, these are the cards. So we have one card from each pile, guys, and this pick a card will be very specific. So whatever your situation is, if you want any clarity, you can think about it. You can meditate on those for a few seconds. Close your eyes and remain silent. Then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. Choose the card here. So may answer your questions, guys. This is the first card and this is the second card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first deck. The first card. This card is from the Rumi Oracle deck, Whirling Goddess. So let's start the reading with poetry from Rumi, guys. Lose your head. Not a single thread that has a head can go through the eye of the needle. Rumi. So that is the essence of this card. So this situation where you are in, this is somewhere you are meant to be. It is here you are meant to be right now, guys. And there is a gift right under your nose. The fragrant wine in your glass, or gleaming red of the rubies, whatever it is, to be here now. you must pass through the eye hole. And to pass through the eye hole, in your heart you may feel that you will be able to do it, but in your head tells you otherwise. Your head tells you that it is not possible to pass through this eye hole, even though your body your sorry guys, even though you are already in the eye hole, your body is already passing through the eye hole into that um endless world beyond, something unknown, but that gives you more bliss and happiness. So you have to leave your minds to the struggles for a moment, and you should think with your heart, not your mind today, guys. That is the message here. So if you want growth, your mind is what is holding you back. And if you have made your decisions with your mind till now, it may be wrong today. You have to think with your heart. So if you think with your heart, you will see that there are endless opportunities opening right in front of you in your life. And mind is what is resisting you, blocking you from moving forward today. So you are ready for this situation, and you are ready. Those certain things, you may fear that something unknown may come your way, and you may not be able to uh, go through that situation harmoniously. But whatever be the case, you have to let go of this stigma that you have within yourself. You will be able to manage whatever the situation is, and that is the assurance with this card. The destiny or divinity or a god or the universe, whatever you call it, that is what is handling your situation right now. That is what is working on the knots, whatever you have in life. So you need not fear. You just have to um, enjoy this present situation, guys. So if there is an issue you have today, something you feel that you cannot solve, something uncertain, you can be assured that it is your destiny or divinity or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, that is what is unfolding your life as it should. And in your heart of hearts, whatever steps you are getting in response of your circumstance, you have to live up to that, live free. That is the message with this card, guys. Such a beautiful message today, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So, for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck, let's see what is the card. Mending. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation, each time we are hurt and we allow that hurt to pass through us without understanding and without integration, we just accumulate that unwanted burden. And this keeps us chained to the very things that we need to heal in our situation, that pain, memories, and echoes of the past hurts. So today, and we go over all over again and again thinking about that resentments we have and that arguments we had. So this is the time for mending rifts and healing wounds and letting go of that old hurts, whatever we had, and reclaim our power by releasing this negative energy, by forgiving and making peace and setting ourselves free today. So today maybe we may feel that we cannot forgive, this person has done too much. But right now, forgiving that person is what is the important thing that we can do today, guys. So even if we are not up for it, we need to clear this energy, this negative energy, and bridge this gap, closing our heart is not the answer to heal this wound. So you have to ask yourself, what will be our reaction if we have love in our heart towards that person? So always love will answer for forgiveness, will stand up for forgiveness and honest redress. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So if you are thinking of your past, brooding over your past, resenting your past, and hurt by your past, you need to overcome that by healing yourself. And the way to heal yourself is to go and make amends. Maybe you have to say sorry, or you have to if that person is ready to tell you sorry, you have to accept it and let it go, let that past go. So that way you will heal, and that other person involved will also heal in the situation, guys. So that is the message with this card, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this pick a card reading, guys. If you like this reading, if this reading resonated, and if it had answered any questions of yours or cleared any doubts, please let me know through your comments. I'll be happy to know, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.